Welcome to the Law Office of Bryan Fagan's YouTube channel. I'm Bryan Fagan, an attorney here at the Law Office of Bryan Fagan. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe, like this video, and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Today, we're delving into a topic that many individuals may find challenging: how to finance your divorce. Divorce is not only emotionally taxing, but can also be financially burdensome. Legal fees, court costs, and division of assets all play a role in the cost of a divorce. It's crucial to plan and understand how to finance this process. The first step in financing your divorce is creating a budget. List all the expected expenses, including attorney fees, court costs, mediation, and any other potential experts such as financial advisors or forensics accountants. This will give you a clear picture of the financial commitment. If you're facing financial constraints, consider exploring legal aid organizations and pro bono services, as we discussed in a previous video. These resources can provide free or reduced cost legal assistance. Some individuals may consider personal loans or borrowing from friends, family to finance their divorce. It is essential to approach such options with caution and to ensure clear agreement and repayment plans. To better understand how to finance a divorce, let's consider a real-life scenario. Imagine a married couple with shared assets who have decided to divorce amicably. They choose to collaborate on legal expenses, share costs, ensuring that both parties have equal access to legal representation. Legal financing companies offer loans specifically designed to cover legal fees, including those related to divorce. These loans can be a viable option for those who don't want to use personal assets or take on debt. In some cases, divorce mediation may be more cost-effective alternative to litigated divorce. Mediation can reduce legal fees and provide a more collaborative and less adversarial process. In conclusion, financing your divorce is a critical aspect of the process. Creating a budget, exploring legal aid and pro bono services, considering financing options, and exploring mediation can help make the financial aspect of divorce more manageable. You're not alone in this journey. The Law Office of Bryan Fagan is here to support you through the complexities of divorce and family law. If you have any questions or need legal assistance related to divorce, finances, or any other family law matter, don't hesitate to reach out and schedule a free 30-minute consultation. Be sure to like this video, subscribe on our YouTube channel, and follow us on Instagram and Facebook for more valuable information. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. Because you tuned in to the end of the video, we're giving away a free copy of the Texas Divorce Handbook. To claim your free copy, click on the link in the description below, and we'll see you in the next one.